When you speak English, do you first think in your language, then translate it in your head, and then say it in English?
And by the time you finish translating, the conversation has already moved on.
Yes, and you miss it. You wanted to say something, but it was too late.
Or maybe you say the sentence, but it sounds a little strange because you translated it word by word.
Word-by-word translation, it doesn't always work.
It really doesn't.
So today, we are going to talk about that, and we are going to help you stop doing it.
This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. So happy you're here today. And if this is your first time watching, hi, welcome. Pull up a chair, stay a while.
Yes, please stay. This channel is for English learners, especially beginners. We speak slowly, we keep it simple, and we make it fun.
We try to make it fun at least.
We try very hard.
And today's topic, honestly, I wish someone had taught me this when I was learning a second language.
Oh, it's so important. So important. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, Mike, let's be honest with our viewers. A lot of English learners have this problem. They study English, they know grammar, they know vocabulary, but when they try to speak, they freeze.
They freeze. Good word.
Like ice. They stop. And why? Because they are translating in their head from their language to English.
And translating takes time. In a real conversation, you don't have a lot of time. People are talking fast. Things are moving.
Right. So by the time you finish translating, the moment is gone.
And it's frustrating. It's really frustrating.
So the question is, how do you stop translating? How do you start thinking in English?
And the answer is, you start thinking in chunks.
Chunks. Yes, this is the big idea today. Chunks.
Not single words, not grammar rules, chunks. Little pieces of English that go together.
Like small phrases, things you can grab quickly and use.
Exactly. You don't build a sentence word by word, you grab a chunk and you use it.
So today, we are going to teach you some of those chunks, common everyday chunks that real people use.
And once you know them, you stop translating because your brain already knows the whole phrase. You don't need to build it.
Beautiful. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start with some very common, everyday English chunks. These are phrases, short phrases, that you hear all the time in English conversation.
And the important thing is, you don't translate these. You just learn them as one piece, one block.
Like a Lego brick, you just pick it up and use it.
Ooh, I like that. Lego English.
Okay, first chunk. Are you ready?
Ready.
I know, right?
I know, right?
This means, yes, I agree. I feel the same way.
In some languages, if you translate this word by word, it sounds strange. I know, right? What does that even mean?
Exactly. But in English, you don't translate it. You just learn, I know, right? Means, I agree. Full stop.
So if someone says, it's so cold today, you say,
I know, right?
perfect.
Let's practice. Viewers, repeat after me. I know, right?
Pause.
Good. One more time. I know, right?
Pause.
Excellent. Okay, second chunk.
Hit me.
That makes sense.
Oh, a good one.
That makes sense. This means I understand. That is logical. That is clear to me.
So if someone explained something to you and you understand, you say,
Oh, that makes sense.
you don't say, oh, I have understood what you have said.
No. Just that makes sense. Simple, natural.
Let's practice. That makes sense. Pause.
That makes sense. Pause.
Great.
Third chunk. No worries.
Oh, I love this one. I use this one all the time.
No worries. This means it's okay. Don't be sorry. It's not a problem.
So if someone says, "Oh, sorry I'm late," you can say,
No worries.
much more natural than, "It is not a problem for me."
So much more natural. Repeat with us. No worries.
Pause.
No worries.
Pause.
Perfect.
Okay, let's stop here for a second, because I want to explain something important.
Yes, go ahead.
When you learn English, a lot of people learn words, single words like happy, sad, eat, go, big.
Yes, vocabulary lists.
Right, and vocabulary is important, of course, but when you speak, you don't use single words. You use phrases. You use combinations.
So instead of just learning the word worry, learn the phrase no worries.
Instead of just learning the word sense, learn the phrase that makes sense.
Instead of just learning the word no, learn the phrase I know, right?
See the difference?
The phrase is the real unit of English, not the single word.
And when you learn phrases, when you learn chunks, your brain stores them together. So when you need them, you don't have to build them. You just pull them out.
Like taking a cup from the shelf. It's already there. You don't need to make the cup first.
Exactly. You already have the cup.
Okay, let's keep going.
Okay, now let's put some chunks together in a real conversation. Listen first, then we'll slow it down.
Ready?
Ready.
Hey, Mike, sorry I'm a little late. The traffic was crazy.
No worries. Come in, come in.
Thanks. Ugh, it's so hot outside today.
I know, right? It was like that yesterday, too.
Really? I was inside all day, so I had no idea.
Lucky you. Okay, so we have a meeting in 10 minutes. Is that okay?
Oh, 10 minutes? Yeah, that works for me. Let me just get some water.
Of course. The kitchen is right there.
Perfect. Thanks so much.
No worries.
Okay, did you hear the chunks in that conversation?
Let's count them. No worries. 2 times.
I know, right? 1 time.
That works for me. A new one.
Oh, yes. That works for me. Let's add that to our list.
That works for me means, yes, that is good for me. I can do that. It's okay with my schedule.
So instead of saying, yes, 10 minutes is an acceptable time for me.
Nobody says that.
Nobody. You just say, that works for me.
Simple, natural, chunky.
Let's practice that one. Repeat. That works for me.
That works for me.
Good. Okay, let's do the conversation again, but this time slowly. Follow along. Hey, sorry I'm a little late.
No worries. Come in.
It's so hot outside today.
I know, right? It was like that yesterday, too.
We have a meeting in 10 minutes. Is that okay?
Yeah, that works for me.
Perfect. Thanks so much.
No worries.
Great, you're doing so well.
Okay. Let's add more chunks to your collection. Different situations, different conversations.
We're building your chunk library.
Chunk library. I love it.
Okay, situation. Someone asks you for a favor, and you want to say yes. It's easy. No problem.
You can say, sure, no problem.
Or, of course.
Or, happy to help.
All 3 mean yes. All 3 are friendly. All 3 are natural.
Let's practice all 3. Repeat.
Sure, no problem.
Of course.
Happy to help.
Good. Next situation.
Someone tells you something surprising, something you didn't know.
You can say, oh, really?
Or, wow, I had no idea.
Or, are you serious?
That one, are you serious? It doesn't mean you are angry. It means, wow, really? That surprises me.
Tone is everything with that one. Say it with wide eyes and a smile, and it's friendly surprise.
Exactly. context, and tone. Okay, let's practice.
Oh, really?
Wow, I had no idea.
Are you serious?
Great.
One more situation. Someone asks, "How are you?" And you want to answer naturally, not just, "I am fine, thank you."
The classic beginner answer.
Nothing wrong with it, but let's add some more options.
You can say, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Or, "Not bad, pretty busy, but good."
Or, I'm doing well, and you?
All natural, all real. And notice, you always ask back, "How about you?" or "And you?"
That's very important. In English conversation, you ask back. It shows you are interested in the other person.
It keeps the conversation going. The conversation is like a ball. You throw it to the other person, they throw it back.
Don't hold the ball. Throw it back.
Exactly. Let's practice those "How are you?" answers.
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Pretty busy, but good.
I'm doing well, and you?
Perfect.
Okay, I want to go back to the big idea one more time because I think it's really important.
Yes, let's talk about it again.
When you translate, what happens? You take a thought in your language, you break it into words, you find the English word for each one, you put them together, and then you speak.
5 steps. That's 5 steps just to say one sentence.
And it takes too long. In a real conversation, you don't have time for 5 steps.
So what do you do instead?
You grab a chunk. You think, what is the situation? Oh, someone apologized. What chunk do I use? No worries. Done.
1 step, not 5 steps.
You're not building the sentence, you're grabbing it. It's already built. It's ready.
And how do you get to that point? How do you get those chunks ready in your brain?
Practice. Repetition. You hear a chunk, you say it. You hear it again, you say it again. Over and over, until your brain knows it automatically.
Like a song. You don't translate a song word by word when you sing it. You just know it.
Yes, exactly like a song. English chunks, they should feel like songs. Automatic, natural.
So that's the goal. That's what we're working toward today. Okay, everyone, big practice time now. We're going to go through all the chunks from today, one by one. You repeat, out loud.
This is really important. Don't just listen. Move your mouth. Make the sounds. That's how your brain learns.
Ready? Let's go. I'll say the chunk, you repeat. I know, right?
That makes sense.
No worries.
That works for me.
Sure, no problem.
Of course.
Happy to help.
Oh, really?
Wow, I had no idea.
Are you serious?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Pretty busy, but good.
I'm doing well. And you?
Excellent. That was really good.
Seriously, if you said all of those out loud, you just practiced 12 real English phrases, 12 chunks, in your brain right now.
And the more you use them, the faster they come, the more automatic they feel.
Pretty soon, you won't even think about it. It will just come out naturally.
That's the goal. That's speaking English naturally. Okay, one last conversation, using as many chunks as possible. Listen and see how many you can spot.
Hey, Sarah, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. Pretty busy today. How about you?
Not bad. Oh, did you hear about the new coffee shop on the corner?
Oh, really? No, I had no idea.
Yeah, it opened yesterday. We should go sometime.
That sounds great. I'm always happy to try new coffee.
Ha, I know, right? Okay, hey, can I borrow your pen for a second?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks so much.
No worries.
How many chunks did you catch?
Let's count. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Not bad. Oh, really? I had no idea. I know, right? Of course. No worries.
7 chunks in one short conversation.
And it felt natural, right? It didn't feel like a grammar exercise.
That's the point. Chunks make your English feel real.
Okay, comment time. We love this part.
Us too. Okay, here is your challenge for today.
In the comments below, write a short conversation, 2 or 3 lines, using any of the chunks from today.
For example, someone says something surprising to you. How do you respond? Use a chunk.
Or someone asks how you are. Answer with a chunk and ask back.
Show us you learned something today. We will read your comments, and if we love your answer, we might reply.
So write something. Practice your English. Say hello to other learners.
The comments section is a great little English community. Don't be shy.
Okay, that is everything for today.
Another great episode.
I think so. So, what did we learn?
We learned that translating word by word takes too long. We learned to think in chunks instead. And we learned 12 real English phrases that you can use right now.
Right now, today, in a real conversation.
And remember, don't try to be perfect. Perfect is not the goal. Natural is the goal.
The more you use these chunks, the more natural they feel. The less you translate, the more you just speak.
And that feeling, when English just comes out without thinking, that feeling is amazing, and you can get there.
You really can. We believe in you.
If today's video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to us.
And subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell so you don't miss our next video.
It's a good one. I'm excited about it.
Me too. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching Easy English Podcast.
Keep practicing. Keep going. A little every day.
See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.